Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Wix chat to your site. To get started, head over to your site's dashboard in Wix. This is the main control center where you manage your website settings, design, apps, and other important features. Adding a chat feature to your website is a great way to improve communication with your visitors. It allows potential customers to ask questions, get support, and receive information without needing to leave your website or wait for an email response. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This section is where you can manage any tools or integrations connected to your website, and it's also where you can discover new features to improve how your site works for visitors. The Apps section is useful because Wix allows you to expand your website without needing to manually create advanced features. You can add tools for communication, marketing, sales, and many other purposes. After that, click on App Market. The App Market is basically Wix's built-in library of apps and add-ons, and it gives you access to both Wix tools and third-party integrations. Since we want to add live chat functionality to the website, this is where you'll find it. Live chat can be especially useful for businesses because it creates a more direct connection with visitors. For example, customers can ask about products, pricing, availability, or services while they are already browsing your website. When the App Market opens, go to the search bar and type in Wix Chat. Searching directly for the app is the fastest way to find the exact tool you need, especially if there are lots of app suggestions showing on the page. Using the search bar saves time because the Wix App Market includes many different tools and integrations. Searching for the exact name helps you quickly find the feature you want. Once the results appear, select the available Wix Chat app from the list. Make sure you're choosing the official option so you can access the proper chat features designed to work smoothly with your Wix site. Choosing the correct app is important because the official Wix Chat tool is built to integrate properly with your website and provides the settings you need to manage conversations. Next, click Add to Site. Wix will then begin installing the chat app onto your website. This process is usually very quick, and once it's added, the chat feature becomes part of your site setup. That means visitors will be able to use the chat widget to reach out, ask questions, and communicate with you more easily while browsing your pages. After installation, you can customize how the chat widget looks and behaves. You can adjust its position, appearance, availability, and other settings to make sure it matches your website and provides a smooth experience. And that's it. Wix Chat has now been added to your site. As a quick tip, after installing it, it's a good idea to review the chat settings in your dashboard so you can make sure the appearance and behavior match your website style and your communication preferences. For example, you may want to check when the chat is visible and how it appears to visitors. You can also consider setting up a welcome message so visitors immediately know what the chat feature is for. A simple message can encourage people to start a conversation and make your website feel more interactive. Even though the installation itself is simple, taking a moment to confirm everything looks right can help create a better experience for anyone visiting your site. A well-configured chat feature can make your website feel more professional and can help you respond to visitors at the right time when they are interested in your products or services. That's the full process for adding Wix Chat to your Wix website. Follow these steps, and you'll have your chat feature up and running on your website, making it easier for visitors to connect with you directly.